How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force Micro 50 TIR tow. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll notice that you have your main power cables, and then you have your aux cable to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. And since this is a tow bar, you will also have your stop tail turn line as well. Now when it comes to our Supreme control boxes, you'll see that we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I will be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you the features of our handheld. So to get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug your connector into your Supreme control box. And then I went ahead and ran my main power cables, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now this is a tow bar, so it will come in standard amber, and you get your 2 white takedowns, your 2 white alleys, and your 2 white work lights in the back. And we also have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what color you want in your light bar as well. Now you'll notice you have your slide switch here on our Supreme control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes on your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern changer, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this light bar has memory recall, so when you turn your light bar off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and switch to your front mode and program a pattern here, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, you'll notice your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, you'll notice your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. So you'll see you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when you activate those buttons, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn. And you'll also notice with your alley button, you have your 2 additional work lights here in the back of your light bar. And these do function independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when you deactivate these buttons, these modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. And now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here as well for your takedown, alley, and work lights, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate those functions, they will go steady burn clear. Now let's talk about your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you will notice, since this is a tow bar, you'll notice that you get your stop tail turn modules as well as your additional work light modules back here. And again, we do offer a multicolor setup here for your work lights, where these will flash the warning color of your light bar, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. Now you will notice on your Supreme control that you can go center out, you can go right left, and left right here. And then finally on your Supreme control, you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting. You'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme is its more compact handheld design, and you'll see that the slide switch is actually replaced with 3 buttons up here. So you have your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode. You have your pattern changer, you have your takedown button and your alley button, as well as your traffic advising features. And then finally you have your cruise mode and your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, as well as vehicle specific gutter mount brackets. And then we have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud brackets that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so, and you'll use 2 of these brackets with this light bar. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force Micro 50 TIR tow. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.